Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be looking at some incredible transportation methods for everything from heavy machines to construction components. Some of the massive machines used at mining sites can weigh hundreds of tons. That's why such trailers are used in case of maintenance needs or for transporting them. LOWBOY is one such low-profile trailer and can be used by attaching it to an ultra-class hauling truck. Because of its modular design and robust body, a load of 1,600 tons can be carried on it. Everyone who tries to learn to roller skate tries to walk while holding someone's shoulder. SLEIPNER's one-of-a-kind transportation system is based on the same idea. When attached to the chains of a crawling crane, these units function similarly to rolling skate shoes. Then, to transport the machine, support is required, which is provided by placing its bucket arm in the trailer. If you think this was accomplished through a cheap trick, you'd be wrong. These transportation systems are 100% effective, they save 85% of the time and 50% of transportation costs. Panther low loaders have gained popularity among a long list of low loaders. These can transport payloads weighing 80 to 100 tons. A unique lifting system is attached to the trailer's rear wheels, which lowers or raises the unit as needed. The Panther Series 2 low loaders are not just stable but also have a high ground clearance and can be operated remotely. Self-propelled modular transporters, or SPMTs, are the most advanced transport systems. These are used to transport extremely heavy cargo. A single SPMT contains 18 axles, and on each axle 4 wheels are attached. Each and every axle is able to carry 44 tons of weight. When required, each unit of SPMT can be easily integrated with another one. Moreover, these have the ability to move 360 degrees and control every axle with a single remote. This helps a transporter to move on difficult tracks. Transporting heavy loads is more than just a matter of weight. The load size and shape also play a significant role. First and foremost, measurements are taken, route surveys are conducted, and every component of the loader is inspected. In this video, HAREKET company employees are preparing to transport the 123-meter long, 17-meter wide, and 8.6-meter high ship from the factory to the port. The total weight was 1,800 tons, which was achieved by using 122 axle SPMTs. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.